I have some additional footage of the train show in Pinellas Park, Florida this past weekend. So let's go. Hi, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And part of that dream is going to train shows. And boy, have we been deprived of that because of this showstopper. There was a show in Pinellas Park, Florida at the Knights of Columbus this past Saturday, August 29th, that we went to. And I'm going to show you some additional footage because I did a live stream there. I did about maybe 18 minutes of a live stream. I got a lot of views on that one. So I'm going to show you some of the behind the scenes and unseen footage that you didn't see in the live stream. And if you want to know what I got there, how about this? Well, I ended up paying $70 for it, but it is the 5 40-foot quad hoppers, B&O, individually numbered with movable doors on the bottom. And one thing I noticed on these, most of them work perfectly. I mean, they move like that, but some of them don't close all the way. So I might have to do a little bit of work on them. Some of them snap into place, like this one here. Doesn't seem like any of them are closing. So other ones, I got most of the doors to close, but like this one here, there was one that doesn't close all the way, but we could get around that. If I want to show it that they're closed, I probably have to glue them shut. But I might just have them swing loose and have them empty. And who knows? But first, I have to clean up all this mess on my layout. It's a mess. I got junk all over the place. And see that bridge right there? That's not supposed to be there. That's supposed to be across that valley right there. So let's get started with the additional footage. Okay, it's Saturday morning at 8:37. We just had a croissant, ham and egg and cheese from Racetrack, filled up the tank, and we're on our way to Pinellas Park to Lopez Hall for a train show. It's about a 3-hour drive to Pinellas Park from Naples, Florida, so we had a pit stop at the beginning of the Skyway Bridge. Now they have a new rest area there now, and I'll show it to you right here.
Alright, Debbie had to take a bathroom break, but we're over here at the rest area right before the Skyway. And I'm sure she'll be taking some video on the way up and across. They changed this around. They put a new building up there. Now you got to walk up to the second floor to go to the bathroom. There she goes. Alright. Recording you. Don't record you, okay. Debbie got her laptop over here with the DVD playing. Okay, she's all set. And then Sadie's back here. Hello, Sadie. Hello. Yeah.
Sorry.
Sure, that's no problem. That was part of my first train set.
You got that under control. What now? Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. Enjoy it. They look real nice when you spring them out. Pull them around.
Go this way.
Where'd that come from? Here? Okay. It's missing something there. Looks like a working dam. Yeah, you can do a lot in a smaller space. And I don't, I was doing better than these like. I'm going to stay in my laundry room, actually. So it's not a, when I go home, just goes to one bedroom, that goes to the other bedroom. They're covered up.
More line out. In the wood, okay. Okay, here's the newest.
Should not be out here. Should not be out here. No, I don't even text you.
Oh, thanks. What's your name? Brad. Brad? How you doing, Brad?
I'm not in the race.
Yeah, I guess we gotta have
Looking like the rector set that I had when I was a kid. $30.
I can always tell when the train goes. Christmas time is on its way. I'm gonna get my bottle of apple
Okay, I got my poppers right here. So
Of the Lehigh River.
I got 5 of them. The bottom of them needs some work on it, but it will work out for the best.
Someone commented in the live stream about the KFC in their area doesn't allow bingos. Well, when I went in there, I saw the sign on the door that says, due to COVID-19, there will be no more bingos until further notice. Well, I caught it on the way out in the video, and you'll see that right here.
Okay, outside now. I made my purchase and it's lunchtime. So we're gonna go get something to eat and making my way back to the car. Debbie's watching a movie on their laptop. And so let me turn this thing around. There you go. It's thinning out a little bit. I mean, this thing was full when I got here. So we're gonna go get something to eat now.
Regal Railways has a show every month through March of next year. That I have it on the schedule, and that schedule is still out in the car, so I'll have to get it out. But anyway, the next one is in October, and I'll put that up on my next live stream on Monday. I didn't have a live stream this past Monday, and I want to thank John for pitching in for me from Schuylkill River Valley. He did a great job on the live stream. I was in the hospital, and I had some tests done, and they couldn't find anything. So I still don't know why my blood pressure went sky high. It went 199 over 111. So that's why I went into the hospital, into the emergency room, to find out why that was happening, because that's not good. But I stopped one of my medicines that I just started for my headaches, and I think that might be it. I'll just have to talk to my cardiologist and my regular doctor to see if that's the case. But anyway, I also have a list of some train shows that I asked people about in my withdrawal video, and they came up with a bunch of stuff, and I told them I would put that up on Monday, so it's going to be on this Monday. So until the next time, we'll see ya.
That's a wrap.
Regal Railways